Yeah, doctor. You go see justice for yourself.
Your name first. David Fadile. Take your hand. Your hand. The reason why I'm granting this press interview is with respect to one prime boy. Now, the proceedings of today, since the commenced this proceedings, there has been this allegation that there was a fight between MohBad and prime boy. And it's in tandem with justice. If prime boy is invited to come and tell his own side of the story, so we are appealing to the magistrate, the presiding magistrate, to issue a witness summons inviting prime boys to come and give evidence. I did that on his behalf. It will not be later to proceed with the evidence of the pathologist without hearing from prime boy. So wherever prime boy lives, please let him contact me, because I made that application on his behalf. There has been evidence by the wife that they had a fight with MohBad on September 10th. The younger brother, Adura, also confirmed that today. And the TJ also confirmed that. So about 3 personalities mentioned his name in respect to the inquisition going on at the court. So please, I have made that application on behalf of prime boy. I don't know him, but I listened to his interview where he said he never had a fight with MohBad. I listened to his interview that he granted with TVC. It was that interview that prompted this application. So wherever prime boy is, himself, his lawyer, let them contact me. I gave an undertaking that he will come. Let him come and tell us what he knows about the death of MohBad. Thank you very much. Any other question?
Your name, sir? Once again.
My name is David Fadile. David Fadile.
David Fadile.
David Fadile.
Representing the entertainment community under the auspices of CNK Music Worldwide. And today's proceedings being the 5th of the proceedings of the court, the coroner court, witnessed the evidence of Adura Aloba, that's the younger brother to the late MohBad, where he gave his own witness account of what transpired and what led to the cause of his death. And at the moment, he was cross-examined and evidence, and under the cross-examination, several revelations were also came to play and came about and where was revealed. So as it stands, we are gradually getting to the close of the proceedings, because we have gotten accounts from the major players as far as this inquisition is concerned. We're expecting the report from the pathologist, and we're expecting the pathologist too. So as it stands, we're expecting prime boy too. So as it stands, we are gradually tilting to the end of fact finding. Revelations and facts has been made before the court, and it will only be very factual now after the report of the pathologist comes in and the pathologist comes to give evidence. But as it stands, justice, we are tilting towards the attainment of justice in this matter. Justice, and I mean justice in every sense, because everybody who has been actively involved have come before the court and has given their own side of the story, and they have given their own evidence. So we expect more evidence as we continue, and we are sure that justice definitely will be served in this matter. Thank you.
What's your name once again?
My name is David Nowola. Yes.
Do you know?
For TNK Music Worldwide, representing the entertainment community.
Do you know idea why you couldn't see MohBad's wife today?
Well, it's not necessary that she has to come. She has given her evidence. Exactly.
She has testified.
Yes,
so the only time we might be seeing her again, maybe in the at the High Court.
Very well.
But this is just an inquest, like we have been saying from the inception of this. It's just an inquest. Whatever information has been gathered from this inquest will now be channeled to the courts. It's just we're just making inquiry, trying
Fact
to,
finding.
Yes, fact finding. As soon as we are done with this, the coroner will forward every information she has gathered in the course of this inquest and forward it to the High Court.
Very well.
Your name,
So
ma'am?
what is the court concluding concerning the pathology?
The pathologist is
He'll
coming.
be here.
It's coming.
He'll be
It's
here.
coming.
What we were able to find out concerning the pathology is that they are in line with the witness, in line with the evidence gathered. There are some revelations that
Were made.
dropped up. You know, so some parts of the body were taken abroad to the United States of America for toxicology reports or something like that. So we are waiting the reports from the US. So as soon as it's back to Nigeria, the pathologist will be here to give evidence in that regard.
Your name?
Your name?
My name is Anya Lewichi Salem.
Is that what?
Anya Lewichi Salem for FIDA.
Which one is FIDA?
International Federation of Women Lawyers.
All right.
Yeah.